Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can install Jupyter Plotly or jupyter-plotly. Alright, but in my first attempt to install this particular program, output are a lot of errors. It says that I failed to build, or the PC failed to build the wheel for YARL, meaning to say YARL is not successfully installed and you have to install it. And um, I found out that there must be a series of steps in order for you to actually successfully installed the YARL. Alright, so this is it. So I'm gonna put the copy of the code in the description box, so be sure that you actually visit the description box. So if you install the wrong package first, this program will not work. So first you have to install this package, multi DICT, and then followed by YARL, and then by frozen list. Alright, so these are the three things that you need to run or to install Jupyter dash Plotly in your um, system. So I have already installed this tree, and I hope that I will be successful in downloading Jupyter. Or yeah, so you can actually get the wheels right here and follow the installation, which I'll be putting the link in the description box on how you can actually install this and solve your problem. Okay, so you go to now. After that, um, you can now copy this and try to uh, install using pip. Okay, and then hit enter. Let's wait for a while, and I hope that there's no error. No error so far. Alright, Flask. Because it's checking everything in the directory. If there are new versions, like for example for Flask, it will try to download and install the latest version. And if you need something else, then um, the process will search for the latest version of the package and then add it into your existing program. So that's how they do it. Alright, there are no errors, And that's it. That's how we install um, Jupyter in our or Jupyter plotly dash then, so we can actually make use of Jupyter when we try to code. Alright, so guys, that's how we solve our problems, including dash. So I hope that you learned something out of this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye guys.